Um, Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Daniel Anthony, and in today's Make Money Online tutorial video, as you all know, on this YouTube channel, we share tips and strategies on how to make money online, how to succeed with your online business, how to grow in the online space, especially as a personal brand, just like me. I happen to be a personal brand, promoting myself, growing myself online, trying to get noticed, trying to get more audience, trying to get more people to listen to me, trying to get more people to consume the content that I create. That's because I am a content creator. And in today's video, you have to know that as a content creator, you need to take advantage of what is called social media platforms. And that's why I want to talk about 9 different methods that you can actually implement to make money with the power or with the help or with the use of social media platform. Well, as you all know, today social media is really evolving and growing fast. There are different social media platforms that have been evolving, coming up on a daily basis. In fact, way back as let's say 8-9 years ago, TikTok was not in existence, but today TikTok has evolved and is growing rapidly. So without much far time, guys, I don't want to talk, or I don't want to go way off track. I just want to move straight to our tutorial video for today, or I just want to move to our tips of making money online for today, which is implementing the social media strategy, taking advantage of social media or the power of social media. So on my Quora space here, I have my phone with me. I just want to share an article that I wrote on my Quora space on the 9 methods that you should implement in order to make money online with the power of social media. So the title of the Quora space, I'll be leaving that article link in this video description below so that you can check it out as well. I've been talking about Quora and how to publish content on Quora on several locations in my previous video. I will equally share those video link in this video description below so that you can go through those videos and understand how to take advantage of Quora as someone who is growing a brand or as someone who wants to grow online. So the 9 method I actually stated out on my Quora space here ranges from identifying your target audience. That's number 1. If you want to start making money on social media, you need to understand the audience you are targeting. That's more like niching down. I've been in the social media world for like 3 to 4 years now, so I'm talking out of experience. Most of the things I teach on my YouTube channel are things I've been implementing myself, I've been practicalizing them myself, and I know how they work, at least 50 to 70, if possible 80% of how this thing work. And social media happens to be one of the things I mostly talk about, or I so much treat on my YouTube channel, because in the near future, any business or any brand that is not on social media or that do not have social media presence might tend to become irrelevant. People no longer need your service. People no longer find it easy to locate you because social media is taking over. So still talking about the 9 methods that you can actually use, or the 9 methods of making money online with social media as stated by the article I shared on my Quora space. One of the ways that you can actually make money on social media is actually, by identifying your target audience. And it's clearly stated that the first step to making money with social media is to identify your target audience. Your target audience, who are you targeting? Let's say you are selling an eyeglass. You are selling this eyeglass and you want to take advantage of the power of social media to actually market this eyeglass. You are not selling eyeglass to everybody. Not everybody who can buy this eyeglass. There are specific people that will need this eyeglass, and there are specific people that will need this phone if phone is what you are marketing with the power of social media or with the use of social media. You need to target your audience, know who you are targeting, and then this is crucial because it determines the type of content you create. You see, that's where niching down comes in. If you don't know the audience you are targeting, you won't know the type of content to create. Okay, then the platform you use and the strategies you employ, knowing your target audience will help you create content that resonates with them. There are specific kind of content some audience like, just like me. Any content that helps improve my personal life, that help me learn how to make money online, that help me learn how to master skills, are content that I consume. I don't consume content that are not relevant or that are not informative enough to me. Okay, so you have to create content that resonates with your audience, and it also helps you understand their behavior and performance. You need to know your audience. Who are you creating content for as someone who wants to make money off social media? These are the 9 things I want to list out today. I want to list out 9 things that will help you succeed as a social media marketer or as someone who wants to make money online with social media. Then number 2 is actually choosing the right social media platform. I see most people make mistake. You want to grow like for people that are into tutorial, the best place to actually succeed as someone who is making tutorial content is actually YouTube. Now that TikTok is out there, Facebook is out there, Instagram is out there, LinkedIn is even out there, and all of these social media platforms are platforms where creators are now taking advantage of. But for me, if you want to become someone who is into tutorial, you should mostly look out for YouTube. Then if you are into entertainment, let's say you are into skit making, let's say you are creating short movie or short videos, I'll advise you look out for maybe Facebook, and YouTube as well is highly encouraging for you because people equally consume entertaining content on YouTube. But for people who are into maybe creating prank videos, you can go and do that on TikTok. That doesn't really move well on YouTube if you are creating prank videos. So that's actually understanding the social media platform you should choose when trying to venture into making money online with the use of social media platforms. Okay, so as clearly stated here on the article I shared on Quora, once you have identified your target audience, the next step is to choose the right social media platform. Each social media platform has its own strength and weakness, and it is important to choose the one that aligns with your business goals and target. For example, if your target audience is predominantly young adults, then platforms like Instagram and TikTok may be the most suitable. On the other hand, if your target audience is professionals, entrepreneurs, professionals, then LinkedIn may be a better option. Like I told you, there are contents you want to share, and there are platforms where those contents can really go viral. If you want to create content, let's say you want to create prank content, or you're looking for young adult, let's say it's personal lifestyle or whatever, you can't really do that on LinkedIn because LinkedIn is where professionals comes together, graphic designers, YouTubers, and so on and so forth. So that's for number 2, choosing the right platform. Then number 3 is actually creating engaging content. Just like this content you're watching right now, it's a highly engaging content. Maybe I don't know what you think about the content though, but for me, I believe this is an engaging content because in one way or the other, I'm teaching you something, you are learning, you are crafting or drafting idea for what I'm teaching. So creating engaging content is another thing you really need to put into consideration if you want to succeed with the use of social media. So as is clearly stated here, creating engaging content is key to making money with social media. Your content should be visually appealing, informative, and relevant to your target audience. If the content you are creating is not relevant enough, nobody will really engage with you. Take that into your brain, okay? And then you should aim to create content that generates interest, spark conversation, and encourage engagement. This can be achieved through a variety of content formats, including image, videos, infographics, and blog posts. Okay, so please take note that you need to put into consideration engaging content. Don't just create balalash content because you believe that pushing out content is what will really help you succeed. Yes, pushing out content is what will help you succeed, but pushing out engaging, informative, entertaining, and whatsoever kind of content that will engage people and will help people and even make people interact with the content is the content you should be looking out for. So that's for number 3. If you want to make money on social media, the things you should put into consideration first before even attempting it. Number 3 is creating engaging content. Then we'll move on to number 4. We are sharing 9 today. Okay. Number 4 is building a community. Yes, you need audience. You need to build your community. Don't be a catfish scouting on the social media platform looking for audience that don't even know you. You need to build from scratch. It's very necessary. Building a community on social media is an effective way to make money. A community is a group of people who shares a common interest or goal, and it can be a powerful tool for business to connect with their customers and build brand loyalty. You can build a community by engaging with your followers, responding to comments and messaging, and creating content that encourages conversation and interaction. I see most content creators like me, even if I have 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel, I will still find time to respond to every single comment because that's the way you build trust and loyalty with your audience. They need to know that you are active, you count them relevant, and you count them important. Please take note, you have to engage with your audience. Building a community is very necessary, okay? So that's number 4. You need to build your community, grow your audience, learn to grow your audience by sharing engaging content, because it is when people engage with your content, consume your content, and they find your content valuable, that's when they can follow or subscribe to your channel or to your platform. That's number 4. If you want to grow on social media and make money on social media. Number 4 thing is building a community. Then we move on to number 5, which comes maybe after some years or after some months of you growing on this social media platform. The number 5 doesn't really come fast. It's not something you should just start putting into consideration when you newly venture into trying to make money online on social media. It's a process thing. It takes process and time. So then the number 5 thing you need to put into consideration that can actually help you make money with the use or with the power of social media is actually leveraging influencer market. Yes. So have you heard of the word social media influencer? I happen to be a social media influencer. If you share content on social media platform, be it Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatsoever kind of social media platform you might, lay your hand to start sharing content on, automatically that makes you a social media influencer. Influencing people, convincing people to either, get entertained, and convincing people to either learn something. In fact, in one way or the other, you are convincing people to engage with you. Automatically, you have become an influencer, influencing people to engage with you. Then, taking advantage of the influencer market, influencer market is a popular strategy used by businesses to make money on social media. Influencers are individuals who have a large following on social media and are seen as experts in their niche. By partnering with influencers, business can reach a wider audience and promote your product or services. When choosing influencers, it is important to select those who align with your brand value and target audience. I think this thing actually happened to me 2 years ago. I was just creating a video, I was editing a YouTube video, then all of a sudden an email popped up on my email inbox, and then this company from Switzerland actually contacted me. This company, they reached out to me from Switzerland, based on the fact that they know that I have audience on my YouTube channel, so they wanted to promote their brand on my YouTube channel. So we talked at length, then I accepted the deal, then I created the video for them and published it on my YouTube channel, and they paid me my money. That's taking advantage of influencer marketing, promoting brands for people, for business owners, for companies, with the use of the audience you have already grown on your social media platform, be it your YouTube channel, your Instagram, or your TikTok, or even your Facebook page. Then we'll move on to the next one, using social media advertising. It's not what I actually advise for newbies. If you're a beginner, you are getting started, I don't advise social media advertising for you because you are still growing up. If people come in through advertising or advertisement that you actually made on this social media platform, and they come to your platform or they come to your page and discover that you have little or no content, they will never come back again. So you should create enough content. You should have grown to a reasonable stage before thinking of running social media advertisement. Social media advertisement equally helps grow business, equally make money, especially if you're into affiliate marketing, trying to sell products or trying to draw traffic to your website. So as is clearly stated here, social media advertising is another effective way to make money on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Offer a range of advertising options that allow businesses to target specific audience based on their demographic, interest, and behavior. By investing in social media advertising, businesses can increase their visibility, generate leads, and drive sales. Like I said, if you are trying to make money from affiliate marketing, trying to draw traffic to your website, in one way or the other, it all relates to marketing. That's when social media advertising is actually advised. It's equally another way of making money with the use of social media. Number 7 on our list is actually offer exclusive promotions and discount. Let's say you sell merchandise. This one actually works with people that have already grown on the social media platforms. Let's say you have enough followers already that engage with your content a lot, and now you now have the power or privilege based on the fact that you have built trust with your audience. Now you can sell products and merchandise. So you can sell merchandise or product to them at a discounted rate. It will equally help you make money fast. As is clearly stated here, offering exclusive promotion and discount is a great way to make money on social media. This can be achieved by offering special discounts to your followers or running social media exclusive promotions. By offering these incentives, you can encourage your followers to take action and make a purchase. Let's say a product that is being sold for $100, now you got it at a cheaper price based on the fact that you bought at a larger quantity. You can sell it to your audience maybe at $80, $70. It will encourage them to buy because they have now found a way to buy it at a cheaper cost. Then number 8 on our list for today, which happens to be the second to the last, is actually using social media to drive traffic to your website. Yes, if you have a website, you need to equally have social media presence. Yes, we have been ringing bell on our YouTube channel that we will soon be launching our website, which we are still working on. Very soon we'll launch our website. So another way to make money on websites outside monetizing your website with any of the ad network out there like Google Ad, Ezoic, and AdTerra and the rest of them, you can equally take advantage of drawing traffic, because the only way you make money, cool cash from websites, is with traffic. And traffic is difficult to get, as you all know. And another easy way to get traffic to your website in order for those traffic to either help you make money with ads and as well maybe buy product that you are promoting or selling on your platform or on your website rather, is by using the power of social media. As it's clearly stated here, social media can be a powerful tool for driving traffic to your website by creating engaging content and promoting it on social media. You can attract visitors to your website and generate leads. You can also use social media to promote your product or services and encourage people to visit your website to make a purchase. Social media helps drive traffic to website. It's simple. I believe you might have even been hearing about it before. You might have even heard about it before, or you might have even been practicing it. So number 9, without wasting much of our time, because I believe this video is becoming too lengthy already, which happens to be the last on our list for today, is actually measuring your results. Everybody who grows actually likes measuring their results. Like me, every day I wake up, check my social media platforms, check my YouTube channel to see the current growth, how far it's growing, how well it's doing, so that I will know what to correct, what not to correct, what to adjust, what not to adjust, what to work on and what not to work on. If you are not measuring your results, because there is always metrics or something called analytics on any of these social media platforms that actually help you calculate your results accurately. So it's very simple. As it's clearly stated here, measuring your results is essential to making money on social media. By tracking your metrics, you can identify what works and what doesn't work. Like I clearly stated, you know what to adjust, what to correct, and make adjustments to your strategies accordingly. Some key metrics to track include engagement rate, reach, and conversion. How are people engaging on your content? You need to check it out. How well is your content reaching out to people? You need to check it out so that you know what to adjust. If your reach is not high enough, then you now ask yourself, why is my reach not high enough? Because it is reach that actually leads to engagement, and it is engagement that leads to conversion and leads to leads and sales. Simple. So that's it, guys. 9 methods that you should implement if you want to make money online. And in conclusion to that, social media provides numerous opportunities for businesses to make money by identifying your audience, choosing the right platform, creating engaging content, building a community, leveraging influencer market, using social media advertising, offering exclusive promotion and discount, and using social media to drive traffic to your website and measuring your results. Just nice strategy. Put them together, it will work for you. Until we meet again, guys, it's still your boy Daniel Anthony. I love you all, but for now I just have to say bye-bye and peace.